And I mean, what are you doing now? Because your roles recently changed, right?
Yes. Within the past year or so, I kind of moved in more of the marketing side of things and evangelist roles, because what I'm doing there, another thing for people that maybe you've been in the industry for a while, maybe you want to change, there's other ways you can pivot from those technical skills into stuff that's helpful. So I got recruited to Psycognito last year, and they saw all the conference speaking, the teaching I was doing, and the workshops, and how active I was on social media, and saw the value for the company. And so as an evangelist, I would speak at conferences. And the nice thing was, is this is something I did myself, but now I've got someone to fund that, someone else to pay for my conference travel. And it's a good thing. When I was working for a bank, they really didn't care that you did that. You would have to get the okay that your talk would go past legal and all that. And working for a company where it actually helps the company, then all of a sudden, these things that I was doing for fun is now part of my job and part of what my bonus is based on. And so now I'm at Psy, another company, doing the evangelist stuff. I'm a security solutions specialist. So evangelism is part of my role. I work on the marketing team, speaking at conferences, educating our sales engineers and salespeople on offensive security so they could better explain our product, show where it fits in the cybersecurity tech stack. So it's been a lot of fun. These are some of the things that come easiest for me. And so I've kind of moved into that type of role.